Envisions 16-1, ordered pairs on the coordinate grid. So we have a lot of notes to take, and then in class we will do the practice. The first definition is coordinate grid. It is a grid that makes it easy to locate points in a plane using an ordered pair of numbers. A plane, not like the one you fly in, this is different. It is an endless flat surface. The x-axis, a horizontal line that includes both positive and negative numbers. X-coordinate, the first number in an ordered pair which names the distance to the right or left from the origin along the x-axis. The y-axis, a vertical line that includes both positive and negative numbers. The y-coordinate, the second number in an ordered pair, which names the distance up or down from the origin along the y-axis. And the last definition is ordered pair. It is a pair of numbers used to locate a point on a coordinate grid. An example of an ordered pair is 2, 4, and this is the way you would see it written. The 2 represents the x coordinate and the 4 represents the y coordinate. Okay, so now we're going to take some notes on steps to plot ordered pairs, and in class we will practice this, so do not get worried about not really understanding what's happening yet. We need graph paper in order to do it. So the thing to remember here is, remember we did please excuse my dear Aunt Sally for order of operations. Well, this is something else to help you remember in which order to plot your pairs. So you're going to run and then jump, and we'll explain that in a second. So the first step is you draw and number the x-axis and y-axis on grid paper. Second, you're going to move the first number of units to the right from 0. So that's the x-axis, and that's the run. So you run along. Third, then move the second number of units up from the x-axis. So you run along, and then you jump up with the y-axis. Lastly, you then mark the intersection with a point and label with either the coordinates or a variable. Now tomorrow, we're going to be gluing a coordinate grid graphic into these notes, and we'll be watching a video, and then we'll be practicing a few of these on our own. Have a good night, boys and girls.